So today we're in Irvine and we're in the neighborhood called Cadence Park, and we'll be touring this beautiful new construction home with a 2-car garage. And there are 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. The house has 3,148 square feet. And this is residence 2. Alright, so this is the entrance. It's a beautiful tall ceiling. We have a nice staircase, tile floor, and extra windows for the light. And this will be your main living space. You have a living room and a kitchen and the first floor bedroom. So let's start from the entrance. Here is the closet. It's quite spacious and there's a light. And this is the garage. There's still construction going on here, so pardon the mess. But it's a quite big garage. Now this is the first floor bedroom. I know a lot of people are looking for houses specifically with a first floor bedroom, so this might be a good option to consider. Here is the closet with the sliding door. And bathroom with a shower. I love the tall ceiling here. So that's the bedroom on the first floor. So this area has been staged as a dining room, and this is living room part. It's quite bright in here because of all these windows. And here is the kitchen. You have an extra outlet in the island. There's no pantry here, but there's a lot of storage, as you can see. And this actually pulls out. And it's a soft close, which is really nice. It's definitely a must for a luxury house like this. A beautiful backsplash, range, and stove. 6 burners. The brand is Monogram. And here's your fridge. There's a water dispenser, an ice maker. Definitely a lot of space to store food. And this is the freezer. And here is your microwave. Also Monogram. And here's the oven. It's a really nice brand. Very nice cabinets with underneath lighting, windows, and I love this because the kitchen island has extra storage, so this is absolutely my favorite thing. Now here's the outdoor part. It may not be big enough for the pool, but you could easily put a hot tub or just turn it into entertaining area as it's shown here right now. I really like how they staged it. I love this tree. I'm not sure what's the name of it. If you know what's the name of the tree, please leave me a comment below, because I would definitely like to know what it is. And here's a little green area. Those are actually individual pots put on the top of each other. Looks pretty cool. And that's the house from the back. Even though you have neighbors, I really like how they planted all of these trees over here because it's extremely private. And here's your barbecue. It's a Wolf brand. It's a really amazing brand. And the mini fridge. And now we're back inside. Let me close that. And let's go upstairs and check out all the bedrooms. So here to the left is information about energy savings, and here is the bathroom, powder room. And let's go upstairs. So here is the first bedroom. A walk-in closet over there, and here's the bathroom with a shower and a half tub. I love the floor. And upstairs you have carpet in this model. Now let's go check out the laundry room. Again, I love the floor. You also have the sink, cabinets, washer and dryer. And here is another bedroom. Stage for the cat lovers. And here is the bathroom with a shower and a half tub. And here to the left, it's your walk-in closet. It's actually quite large. And now let's go and find the master bedroom. And it's here. Here to the right is your master bathroom. You have two sinks. Nice cabinets. And you have a shower and tub. And here's a separate toilet. What do you guys think of this design? Here's your shower with 3 shower heads. Place for your cosmetics and a tub, and all of it is behind the glass. Look at this sink. I really like the design of it. And cabinets and drawers. Definitely a lot of storage here. And this is the bedroom. You have a lot of windows. So it's very bright in here. And this is your closet. You also have the windows, which is really nice. So this is quite a large closet. Actually, I really do like the windows in a closet. You feel a little bit less claustrophobic. And now let's go check out the 3rd floor. And check this out. It's staged as a bonus area. It's an entertaining lounge, place to hang out. And we have little windows here as well. And over here is a bar with a wine cooler and a powder room. And let's check out the outside. So this is another very nice outdoor space you have. You can see all the new construction being built right now. And here to the left you have a beautiful mountain view. It's a very clear day today. Let's check this out. It's really gorgeous. It's a very quiet neighborhood. So this is your outdoor space. What do you think of it? So now let's go downstairs. Here's your bedroom level and the entrance. I love this chandelier. So what did you guys think about this house? What's your favorite part? You can let me know in the comments below. If you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to tour this home or any other houses in Irvine, Orange County, and San Diego County, please feel free to send me an email. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Thank you.